Hi there! My name is Samantha Furlow, and I am one of your Parenting Inside Out coaches for this class series. I am so excited to have you here with us during our first week of virtual Parenting Inside Out. I ask you to please give myself and my colleagues grace as we move our beloved Parenting Inside Out series into a virtual format. I anticipate we will have some technical bumps and some learning curves. My promise is that we will give you the same flexibility that we are asking you to give to us. Let's get started. I want you to imagine that you and your family are going on a road trip. After the initial decision to go on vacation, the first step will of course be to decide where you are going, or your road trip destination. Parenting is much the same way. I can't create a budget, plan hotel stays, or fun family activities if I don't know where my road trip is leading us to. While it may be hard to think of our children in this way, especially if all our kiddos are in their early years, I promise you the time will pass us by faster and faster as the years go on. Ultimately, the goal of parenting is to successfully deliver our children to destination adulthood. Before we can decide what parenting tools will be best used in each level of child development, we have to figure out what destination adulthood means to each of us as an individual parent or family unit. You will want to open your yellow textbook to the very first page that says Destination Adulthood with an icon of a graduation hat. Now I want you to pretend that you are giving your child a gift on their 18th birthday. Inside that gift box are 3 characteristics that you think are most important for your young adult child to have. What are those characteristics for you? The characteristics that I think are most important for my child to unwrap on their arrival to destination adulthood are integrity. I want them to do what's right even when no one is looking. Work ethic. I have a strong work ethic, and I think it's important that my kids know how to work hard so they will be able to take care of themselves and have the skills needed to reach their goals. And a priority of joy. I want my kids to know that joy is such an essential part of life and that happiness is incredibly valuable. My co-teacher, Miranda, has the following 3 characteristics in her gift box. 1, empathetic, 2, self-aware, and 3, responsible. Even though my 3 characteristics are different than Miranda's characteristics, does that mean that I don't value empathy or responsibility? Of course not. I would say that there is a lot of correlation between my list and Miranda's list. Now I want you to write your 3 characteristics that will be in your child's gift when they reach destination adulthood. Your 3 characteristics do not need to be the same as mine. I am positive that your list may look different than both of ours, but it will still share similarities as well. All of our families have different priorities. Personally, I have the same gift for each of my kids. However, some parents may find that they have different gifts for their different children. It is important that you make your gifts in a way that feels most right for you. I ask you to please pause for a moment to allow yourself time to write down the characteristics that you wish to give to your child. Now that I have my characteristics that I want my children to acquire by the time they reach adulthood, this could mean 18, 19, 20, is it enough that I wish my children will have these characteristics and that's it? Of course not. Now that I've decided what destination adulthood means to me, I have to keep these goals in mind when I make my parenting decisions. In the next video, we will learn about 3 different parenting styles, and then we will decide which parenting style is the most likely to create the outcomes we are working towards.